Learn how to easily connect your Opal Card with Apple Wallet using this comprehensive guide. Open Opal Travel app. Launch the Opal Travel app on your iPhone. Select Opal Card. Choose the Opal Card you wish to add to your Apple Wallet from the app. Add to Apple Wallet. Tap on the Add to Apple Wallet button within the app. Follow the prompts displayed on your screen to complete the connection process. Alternative method. Alternatively, you can open the Wallet app on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Tap on the sign to add a new card. Select Transit Card and choose Opal from the list of transit cards. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Opal Card usage. Opal Cards are primarily used for public transportation in New South Wales, Australia, and other regions. Convenient transit. Connecting your Opal Card with Apple Wallet offers a convenient way to use public transport without the need for a physical card. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate your Opal Card with Apple Wallet for easy access and usage during your travels.